Hi everyone, and welcome to Hosting with Susanna, where I help you create beautiful parties and fun gatherings without all the stressful planning. Today we're making my lavender coffee for your Easter brunch, because I feel like no brunch is complete without coffee. It's kind of an essential, and so I wanted to make it a special coffee, not just a basic drip coffee. And so I thought that lavender would just be that perfect taste, that perfect flavor that just says springtime. And then I also always think of carrot cake when I think about Easter, and so I love those cinnamon undertones that you always get in carrot cake, so I thought that would be a nice addition to this coffee as well. And I just thought that the lavender and cinnamon would just pair so perfectly together. So here's what you're going to need to get started. 1 cup of ground coffee, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of culinary grade dried lavender buds, and 60 to 72 ounces of water, or if your coffee pot is like mine and has the water indicator on it, you can use either the 12 cup or the 14 cup marking. Start by adding your paper coffee filter to your coffee machine. Then add your ground coffee and your dried lavender buds. Stir your coffee and dried lavender buds together inside of the filter. Take your cinnamon sticks and break them in half lengthwise and place them on top of the lavender and ground coffee mixture. Pour your water into the coffee machine's water reservoir and then proceed with brewing. And there we have it, our lavender coffee. Let's give it a try. That is so good. I just love the subtle undertone of lavender and cinnamon. And then I would just suggest to have a couple of different milk and creamer options, some with dairy and some without, so that you have something that works for everyone. I hope you and your guests enjoy it. I'll see you next time.